Welcome to our video about the Lamborghini success story, the incredible story of how one man's passion for fast cars led to the creation of one of the world's most iconic luxury car brands. The story of Lamborghini began in 1963, when Ferruccio Lamborghini, a wealthy Italian industrialist, decided to create his own car company. Lamborghini had a passion for fast cars and had previously owned several Ferraris, but was unhappy with the quality of their service and support. Determined to create a car that would outperform the best of the best, Lamborghini assembled a team of engineers and designers, including some of the best in the industry. They worked tirelessly to create a car that would set a new standard for speed, luxury, and style. The result was the Lamborghini 350 GT, which debuted at the 1964 Geneva Motor Show. The car was an instant hit, with its sleek design, powerful engine, and innovative features. It quickly became the must-have car for the world's elite, and Lamborghini soon established a reputation as one of the most prestigious and innovative luxury car brands in the world. Over the years, Lamborghini continued to innovate and push the boundaries of what was possible in the automotive industry. They introduced a number of groundbreaking models, including the Miura, the Countach, and the Diavolo, each one more advanced and impressive than the last. Today, Lamborghini is known around the world as a symbol of luxury, power, and performance. Their cars are driven by the rich and famous, and their brand is synonymous with excellence and innovation. The Lamborghini success story is an inspiring tale of one man's determination to create something truly extraordinary. Through his passion, vision, and hard work, Ferruccio Lamborghini created a brand that continues to captivate and inspire car enthusiasts around the world. Thank you for watching our video about the Lamborghini success story. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this in the future.